Good day everyone. We are the Group 4 in Agricultural Economics case study entitled The Use of Green Technologies During Pandemic Times. Synopsis or executive summary. This exploratory multiple case study attempted to examine whether the use of green technologies during pandemic times. This new technology had any impact to the society. Every day, we hear more about the importance of green technology. But do we all know what green technology is? Green or eco-technology includes sustainable or environmental technology, and it covers continuously evolving groups of methods, practices, materials, from techniques for generating energy to non-toxic cleaning products. It considers the long and short-term impact of something on the environment. Green technology is environmentally friendly by definition since it encompasses energy efficiency, health and safety concerns, recycling, renewable resources, and many other things.
Pendings. What is the impact of green technologies to the society during pandemic times? The pandemic started in 2019. People barely go out, and because of the green technology, it paved the way for multifunctional devices like the smartwatch and the smartphone. Computers are increasingly faster, more portable, and higher power than ever before. With all of this revolution, green technology has also made our lives easier, faster, better, and more fun. Green technology really help us a lot, most especially in the times of pandemic. And for those people who work from home and doing their household chores at the same time. Thanks to green technology, it is now easier to go to work from or perform household chores. There are various gadgets and equipment that helps people live their lives more conveniently. It has also influenced various fields in today's society, such as transportation, education, and medicine. What are the advantages and disadvantages of green technologies? To find the answer for this question, we gathered the advantages and disadvantages of green technologies as the student research. About disadvantages of green technologies are to reduce the rate of growth of energy consumption, while enhancing economic development to facilitate the growth of the green technologies, industry, and enhance its contribution to the national economy, to increase the capacity for innovation and green technology development and enhance competitiveness in green technology in the field, to ensure sustainable development and perceive in the environment for future generations, to increase public awareness and education on green technology and encourage its widespread use green technology. While the disadvantages are initial investment of implementation cost is very high, people are not familiar with the technology, and enhance will take time to adapt it for longer population. Question number 3. What are the goals of green technology? To find the answer to this question, we research about the goals of the green technology to meet the needs of society in ways without damaging or depleting natural resources on Earth is the main objective of green technology. The idea is to meet present needs without making any compromises. You have reached the right destination to know all about the goals of green technology. Focus is being shifted on making products that can be fully reclaimed or reused by changing pattern of production and consumption. Steps are being taken to reduce waste and pollution. As one of the important goals of green technology, it is initial to develop alternative technologies to prevent any further damage health in the environment. Speeding their implementation can benefit our environment and truly protect the planet. Explore the goals of green technology, introducing sustainable living, develop renewable energy, and reduce waste.
Discussion. The finding in the first question shows the impact of green technology to the society today. The study focuses to the use of green technology. Green tech or green technology is an umbrella term that describes the use of technology in science to reduce human impacts on the natural environment. Green technology encompasses a wide area of scientific research, including energy, atmospheric science, agriculture, material science, and hydrology. We, the researchers, focuses on the impact of green technology, mostly in the middle of pandemic. Many green technologies aim to reduce emissions of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases in order to prevent climate change. Solar power is one of the most successful green technologies and is now cheaper to deploy than fossil fuels in many countries. Another aspect is the advantages and disadvantages of green technologies. As we all know that every creation has a positive and negative impact, neither in the environment or in the society. But this green technology is an environmentally friendly. The advantages of green technology for the environment include the things such as renewable energy, reduced energy consumption, reduced use of raw materials, recycling, reduced product maintenance, longer-lasting products, and more. It is also a great effect on our society. Through technology, waste materials are recycled and produce products like animal feeds. Dirty water is recycled and ends up being used by human beings. These recycling acts save money, preserve natural resources, and avoid environmental damages. The advancement of technology continuously affects the environment not only in a positive manner, but there are also some negative impacts of technology in the development. The adaptation of technological resources in industries contributes to the high living standards. Continued industrialization results in environmental degradation, especially in developed countries like Ireland. The impact of technology in the environment includes misuse as well as damage to the earth. What we found in the third research finding is the main purpose of this study, and that is to implement and to share what is the goal of green technologies and how it helps a lot of people in the middle of pandemic. There are many advantages of green technology includes it is environmentally friendly, that means no harmful emission to the air, does not require a lot of money for its operation, never run out because of its renewable technology. It helps to reduce CO2 emission in the air. It reduces global warming. The goal of green tech is to protect environment, repair damage done to the environment in the past, and conserve the Earth's natural resources. Green tech has also become a burgeoning industry that has attracted in numerous amounts of investment capital. Green technology can be used to reduce pollution and waste products of traditional industrial processes. In addition to reducing the negative effects on the environment, these technologies can also use resources more efficiently. In summary, the result of this explorative case study suggested that the green technologies have been really useful in pandemic times. It balances and makes human work easier. Other than that, it aims to reduce emissions of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases in order to prevent climate change. This study shows how successful is the creation of green technology, from solar, computer, and to other various technology that we are now using and we benefit from. This study also shows the basic design of using the green technology in its right places. By this research, maybe some people will try learning or try using one of the technologies that serve as our necessity in everyday living.
The study found that COVID-19 pandemic has promoted invention patent output of film, university and film university collaboration. The conclusion has good robustness after viral trend, plus 7 triple different tests, the result of triple different model and heterogeneous effect analysis also show that COVID-19 pandemic has had heterogeneous impact of green invention patent under different policy scenario and severity of pandemic. In summary, this study made theoretical implication by evaluating the impact of new exogenous factor of green invention. The result of study also provide practice implication. First, the way to cope up with pandemic should be different for different types of organization. Firm green invention activities seem more efficient because of pandemic. This may increase this industry competence. We suggest the manager of firm should consider the situation of decide whether they can need a change of strategy. Second, a result show that outbreak of COVID-19 can influence the rules of other government policies and green invention. That implies the policymakers should judge the relationship between the rules of pandemic and other policies, and they should make a policy system such that they can take the opportunity of pandemic and avoid the damage of pandemic. There are also limitations of study. First, the main purpose of the ID model is test whether an exogenous event make different for the treatment objective at an average level. Although it's hardly captured, the time lag of impact. Second, the precise reason and mechanism from why and how the pandemic can promote green invention is still not clear. Problems resulting from this limitation are also our future researcher emphasis.
Recommendation. Most people today are aware about the green technology and invention, mostly the teenager and a student, with a course concerning to the technologies. As we all know that the green technology has been a great help for all. We all the researchers' recommendation is to spread how useful green technology is and how it helps people in the middle of pandemic. Spreading information in social media platforms in True Teenagers will give a big platform for people in our country to know how to use and what its benefits to our daily lives. This green technology also help us to conserve our environment because it is environmentally friendly.
Implementation. This study is a way to spread information how to use green technology. Green technology help to produce waste, conserve water, customs, reduce the energy as a compared by the to traditional technologies. By the implementing charge will be have to a smaller carbon footprint and produce a number of toxins released into atmosphere. Future generation limitedly benefits from the improved earth and water quality, power, land speeds, and more. Nutrable energy source. The use of green technology implemented by the companies to use environment that take advantage and release of savings is spreading information in the internet will be served as a guide of people like video tutorial on how to make DIY lights and etc. and student give you knowledge on the priority and use what you benefits on the green technologies invention.